Okay, we're back on the door. David, tell everybody what you're doing, honey.
Well, basically what I'm doing is I'm spraying a coat of Flex Seal on top of the outside of this side of the door. That way it will help seal it from rain and stuff. Stuff's amazing. I've been using all kinds of stuff around the house. Use it to fix some trim that was coming up in the kitchen. Fixed it. Use it to seal up the drain that was stinking up in the bathroom too. There. Now when that dries, I'll slap the hardware on it.
Okay. And?
I sprayed it inside the cup for the doorknob and the lock and the doggy door too.
Yeah. There's the old knobs. That is not so old that he's going to transfer over. Then we're going to throw the old door out. So this is the next part of making a doggy door.
Expanding great stuff on, I'll spray the Flex Seal on top of that too. That way it'll seal that up from rot.
Repeat it.
Yeah, after the great stuff expands and dries, I'm going to cut it and spray the Flex Seal on top of that too.
Stay tuned for more of this home improvement. Feel free to share, feel free to subscribe. This is the next part of the home improvement. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody.